Wagwan people. Alright, so basically the story goes like this, what kind of got me on this tip. I was like back in grade 9, I was a freshman in high school, I was there walking home, it was winter time, it was cold, just and you know how black people, like when our skin get dry, sometimes it become like really ashy. Sometimes in between the finger you can see all the white and thing like that. So as I'm continuing to walk home, I decided to stop at one of those convenience store corner shop things, to pick up some chapstick, a pack of gum maybe, and some hand cream. And as I come out of the store now, I see a couple guys along the side of the store wall outside, and then I'm there walking and they say, yo boss, beg you a lighter? Cause they wanted to start smoking up a thing, and I said to them, no sir, I don't have no lighter, as a matter of fact I don't smoke. And one of them looked upon me and said, yo, you don't smoke? You're not black. And also at this time I had my earphone out, one earphone in, one hanging out, just so I can hear my surrounding, and the music was loud enough so that people on the outside could kind of get an idea of what I was listening to. And the music I was listening to, it wasn't no jump up, hands up, shake your booty. It was more like,
I want it that way.
Don't judge me. And the same guy looked on me and said, yo man, what you listening to? What's up with all these whitewashed black people nowadays? Somebody said, hold up. Whitewash? Yo, that don't even make no sense, people. People lighter than me. Some of them white like my eyeball, calling me whitewash because me do one thing and them expect me to do a next thing. I'm just being me. Same skin color, like even at night time sometimes I have to smile for people to see me. I'll be the first to admit I was never the greatest baller. Who knows, maybe if I was taller. I don't live in the ghetto, I'm just being me. I grew up with both parents, they always cared about my appearance. That's why I never really cared about sagging my pants. Is that a crime? Way too busy to keep getting drunk off of wine. I never did any jail time, and I'm just not interested in knocking up each and every dime. That's just not me. I'm expected to only listen to reggae, hip-hop and dancehall each and every day from morning to nightfall. What if I just want to sit down on a bench and vibe to 1 or 2 tracks from Mariana's Trench? But no, I can't do that. Why? I'm black and only white people listen to them type of music. What is wrong with some people? And of course, since I am Jamaican, I do have some records from Bob Marley, but yo, he said emancipate yourself from mental slavery. So you can't just be like, oh, black people do this only, brown people do that, and yellow people only this. Get out of that mindset. I talk to all type of people, eat all different type of food from different culture. Oh, you're black, you're only supposed to eat curry chicken and rice and peas. Expected to do this and do that, and if you don't do this, oh, you're whitewashed. Well, none of you can show me anywhere that color equals your character. Just being a voice to people out there that are chained down by the idea that they have to be like this or be like that just because of their skin color. Anyways guys, you can keep calling me whitewash, keep talking the smack, call me whack, so what? Just remember this simple fact. I'm still black. Until next time, I'm Leroy Stedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom, I'm out. It got me questioning, what does it mean to be me? It's like one of those things that become more perplexing as you find your mind resting on the thought, contemplating what it really means to be me.